Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have been trying to decide whether to change this painting for a long time now. It's a 16 by 20 and it's a weedy garden, and I don't even know if I already ran the video or not. It doesn't matter because I have this pan of colors that's absolutely fantastic from my last painting, and I want to stick some highlighted or some other colors in the foreground because I've been wanting to try this for a while. I have some paint to use up that is the right color, and if I don't like the way it's working, I can add some other color. So I'm just going to get rid of that right into my bucket. And what else do I want in there that isn't there right now? I think I'm going to go with a little bit of that minty green from Color Shift from Folk Art, and maybe, I think this is the same color as that is. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. I think I have some turquoise that's not coming out too thoroughly, easily, whatever. And I have some mica powder, which is a different color, which will probably sink, but you know, unless I try it, I don't know. So I'll try it. And I have some turquoise mica powder, but I think I'm going to stick with my other metallic green. Kind of want to put some white in there for a highlight, but I usually decide to go with the gold anyway, and the gold is working for me. But the only thing I don't have in there that I think I might put in there is the dark purple. So what I'm going to do, what am I going to do? I'm going to find my little scoop that I probably just stuck in the bucket. I know I have another one. Well, I had another one. I have another one. Yes, there it is. Cool. Alright, so I'm just going to grab that, wipe off the bottom, and try not to eradicate anything absolutely fabulous. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen now. Leave some puddles at the bottom so I can tip them back up. I think I'm going to like it. I really didn't want to ruin anything. I can stick chain in. I can use my scoop to make all kinds of cool little marks. I can flow this paint down as easily as I can up. It's just having to decide if I'm risking eradicating something cool and not having any idea how far the paint will drag out. But I'm pretty happy so far. I'm afraid I don't want to tip until I get to the point where I'm ready, just because I don't know what it'll do. But I do want some of that to go over the end no matter what. I can use my thumb to do that, so I shouldn't be too concerned. Hopefully you can see all that. I like to just dip my scoop into the paint. Maybe grab a little bit more. I'm loving that green gold in there. It's every bit as good as I was hoping it was going to be. Yeah, I like it. I don't know if I need it all the way across or if I want it all the way across. I like the stripe coming out of my scoop and going over this edge. Cool. Alright. Oh, I'm so close. I just want to go ahead. And it doesn't matter if the scoop stops part way. It doesn't matter at all because I'm going to probably put some leaves in like so. because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link, coincidentally, underneath, show more underneath the video. I did say I wanted to put some chain in. I'm not sure how much further to go with this. I'm not sure I haven't gone too far already, actually. Usually I can't tell how I'm really going to feel about things until the next day sometimes. Sometimes I know they're great, but not every time. Yeah, I like more of the green up the top. I think that's a necessary addition. I think the little spiky things are good. I like putting the little leafy, the shoots. That just became the end of the tip of something, and I kind of like how it looks. So I'm going to do it again, slightly more delicate, in a slightly more delicate way, I should say. Not minding this at all. It's a lot of fun, actually. I'm not as frightened as I was when I started. That sounds so wimpy. I know I tell you guys to be fearless, but it's not always without its trepidations, for sure, and I'm not the only one that admits that. I still want to add some chain in there, but I'm not sure that's a good idea at all. I'm so not over using up the paint I've got. I know I can use a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula like this. And make marks. And make more marks by dipping. Dipping in and dabbing on. I like that. I like it so much. I think I want one over here. And I'm going to do that by just dragging the stem down. Meeting something else that looks like a stem that it came off of. There, yep, I like that. So the only thing to decide is if I've made it too even, and I think I can fix that by just putting my skewer into some puddles and making some other shoots available at the bottom, so that the green layer goes all the way across. I've wanted to make some real big leaves, but I'm just too chicken. The time will come, I'm sure. So all these other things down here at the bottom can just be shoots. So a lot of metallics and color shifts in here, so it'll be shimmery. When it dries. Pretty sure anyway. I can dip my skewer right in to my pan of color. I think. And roll it to make some leaves that are kind of stripy and different looking that I like. I'm going to do that again. Just roll them right out. Nope, doesn't bother me. I like that. I want something right above it though. I think it might almost be done. Ha, but you've heard me say that before, you say. It wasn't true then either. You want a leaf shape. Pretty sure I can have one. I just need to give myself permission to do it. Several times, in fact. Yes. That looked a lot more like an accident. But since it's accidental art, it kind of lends itself to blobs falling different places. Temptation is to add a few flowers, but I'm not sure that I really want to add a few flowers. Yeah, I like the red and the green, and I never thought I would say that, to tell you the truth. I'm just going to keep taking my spatula and grabbing colors that I like and making leaf shapes, or pretending to make leaf shapes. No, those are sort of kind of leaf shapes. Some of them look a little more like flowers right at the moment. But I don't want to leave out this entire side, although there was the temptation there for the minute. I don't think I can use up all the paint in my panel. There isn't a lot left. My temptation is to grab the lightest color there to match everything else. You never know, I might succeed. I'm using it all up. It's exciting. I like it. The unexpected part 2. There's the sun back again, which means it's going to get hot as heck in a minute. One more time. Let's add a few loops. Loops and leaves. More weeds than weedy. More weeds than flowers in my garden. If I were to tip this, I think I would be tempted to tip it down as opposed to up. Come on, turntable. Don't turn on me while I'm trying to finish my garden. I'm going to grab the last scoopful and let it fall down over the edge to complete my garden theme, my weedy theme. I got 2 minutes left, so I should tell you guys, because we're going to be gone in a minute, to shop my Amazon link, where you can find the Oxo Omelette Turning Spatulas, and the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst Spatulas, and the mica powders, and tents, and cameras, and all kinds of stuff I put there that I use myself. I especially like the mica powders lately. There are canvases and paint, all kinds of metallic paint. There's even unicorn spit, although it's more of a dye than it is a paint, so I don't necessarily recommend that anybody do that unless they want to be dyeing things like wood. I use it for a tint a lot of times. Wow, I actually think I used up all my paint. Wow, I really did not expect that. I'll let that go down this side. But it's pretty paint, so it's very compelling to use it. And I don't like wasting things, as we all know about me. Ooh, there, I got a leaf. I got a couple. Neat. What if I can do that again? Probably don't have enough paint left on that anymore. It's funny, you know, I don't do this for a little while, a certain style, and I kind of forget about how I did it the last time. So every time is a whole new experience. Trying to reinvent the method. Alright, I'm pretty happy with that. That is as exciting as I was hoping it was going to be. As far as red and green is not necessarily everybody's favorite combination of colors, but I like it. And I was expecting it to be thoroughly interesting, and it's thoroughly interesting. And these things, unfortunately, are going in the bucket, even though there's a little bit of... No, maybe I'll just let it drain on a piece of... on an edge catcher, so I get the benefit. Alright, I love you guys. There's 75,000 of you. I sell my artwork. I give classes at the studio in Spring Hill, Florida. If you want to watch some more videos, there's over 750 of them on the end screen. If you want to be included in the monthly contest, I see that piece of black there. Donate to keep the studio rolling, and you'll find the contest on the end screens also. That'll show you whatever the prizes will be that particular month. I'm about to draw a winner tonight at midnight. And I love you guys. Did I say there was over 75,000 of you? I am pretty sure that we are very, very close, if not exactly there, in a day or two. Maybe just a day. So yeah, I can't keep my skewer out of anything. That just sounded bad. Never mind. I gotta stop. I gotta stop, but I can't stop. Oh no! I think I'm gonna use some of my paint on the bottom edge and call it good. If you guys wouldn't mind, you could give me a thumbs up, and it would help the YouTube algorithm know to put my videos places more people could find them. And the more people that find them, the more likely I am to come back and keep making videos for you guys. If you like them, that's definitely a good way to show me and a big help. If you can't contribute, that is a big contribution. And I very much appreciate it. That and watching more of the videos. When you watch more videos, the YouTube algorithm also knows that. Oh, I'm getting glop. It's time to be very cautious. Yes, and I'm composing upside down, which may or may not be a good idea. Probably not. And I'm going to use my torch, and you're going to be gone. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying, visit my website if you want to communicate with me. Check the end screens out. Look for my recipe under the description, and you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as PayPal and Patreon links where you can contribute if you want to be included, and I will send you notice of that. I'm going to steal some paint and put it right there. And then I'm going to torch really quickly in a minute. And you're probably gone anyway. Oh, you're still here. Cool. I wonder if I can zoom out far enough to see that whole thing. We are kind of zoomed out in the right place. Alright, I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, shit, it's hot. Even if I'm not complaining about it, it's still pretty warm. So take care. Bye for now. See you soon. Watch some videos. Binge away. I love you.